When we do the transmission rebuild video, which we're going to do tomorrow, I will show you exactly how we do this. Ooh, you got your own hammer, your own dolly. You polish this part very gingerly because you don't want to mess this up.
42 GPW.
Whose is it?
Mine.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing really, just we're trying to make it perfect.
What are you doing?
Trying to get the siren off.
Got stuck. I could not get it out with heat or otherwise.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, you went right for the F, huh? I get it.
Woo! We'll get it.